Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use 10Web AI. This powerful platform allows you to create a fully functional website in just minutes, even if you have no coding or design experience. You can start by describing your business, and the AI will handle the rest, generating content and images. Plus, you can explore all its features with a generous 7-day free trial, requiring no credit card to begin your journey. To generate your website, simply describe your business or project in a few words. The AI builder will then identify your business category and create a fully structured, multi-page site in seconds. This includes generating relevant content and initial images tailored to your description. You can choose between an informational website or an online store, with WooCommerce integration for e-commerce sites. Once your website is generated, customization is easy with the intuitive drag-and-drop editor. You can effortlessly adjust design elements, personalize content, and fine-tune the layout in real time. The AI Copilot allows you to chat with AI to perfect your site, generate additional sections, and even create high-quality AI-generated images. All designs are automatically optimized for mobile responsiveness, ensuring a great user experience on any device. After customizing your site, you can easily publish it. Connect your own custom domain or take advantage of a free custom domain included with many plans. 10Web provides secure, reliable hosting on Google Cloud, ensuring a fast-loading website with a 90+ page speed score. Automated SEO tools help improve your search engine rankings. Plans start at just $10 per month, offering various features to suit different business needs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.